Hello and welcome. Today we're going to demonstrate a useful capability released in Syncplicity for Mac 6.2, available to users now, file locking and unlocking. File locking is also available in Syncplicity on web browsers and Windows operating systems. Now, when Syncplicity for Mac users are working from their Documents Finder or desktop, they can lock files for 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, or 5 hours, depending on how long they want to prevent others from overwriting their edits or additions. In the case that there are one or more contributors who may have access to the same files, such as a Word document, PowerPoint, or Excel file, they will be able to observe that the file is locked along with what time it will become automatically unlocked. Should they insist on making edits to the document or file, there will be a separate copy created of that document as to not create confusion, or if the administrator allows, they can open an Office Online and begin co-editing there. File locking on your Mac is available today in Syncplicity for Mac 6.2 by navigating to your Syncplicity account online, clicking on Install at the top of the page, and following the steps to complete the installation. Keep in mind that files cannot be locked indefinitely, and you can lock any type of file that you choose. For more information, or if you have any questions, reach out to your Syncplicity Customer Success Manager today.